In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Constant Contact. Whether you're sprucing up an image within an email or tinkering with a picture stored in your library, the editing process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it seamlessly. Let's start with editing an image within your email. Once you're in the draft of your email, you'll want to find the image that you're looking to edit and give it a click. This will reveal a handy toolbar. What you want to do next is hit the Replace button. Doing this will bring up a new window where you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and select it. This action will take you into the image editor, your playground for creativity. Now, let's shift our focus for a moment. Say you want to edit an image housed in your library instead. The process is just as intuitive. Head over to your library and locate your image. Once you've found it, click on the pencil icon conveniently placed right next to the image. Then, select Image Editor from the options presented. Once you're in the image editor, whether you're working from an email or directly from your library, you'll notice an array of editing features right at your fingertips. These tools are lined up on the side of your screen, each represented by icons. The Transform tool is ideal for cropping and resizing your image to perfect dimensions. You can use the Filters option to give your image some mood, adjusting the colors and the vibe it conveys. There's also the Adjust feature, where you can tweak elements like brightness, contrast, and whatever else your image needs. If you're feeling expressive, try adding some text to your image to give it a personal or professional touch. After you've made the adjustments you're happy with, it's crucial to save your work. To do this, simply click the Apply or Save button. This ensures that all your thoughtful edits are captured and reflected in your image. These features together give you quite a bit of control over the final look and feel of your photos in Constant Contact. So, whether it's refining an email image or polishing up a library photo, editing in Constant Contact is a breeze with these steps. This process not only allows you to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your emails, but also ensures that your visual content aligns perfectly with your overall messaging. By now, you should feel confident in editing photos to suit your desired outcome. Remember, feel free to experiment with the many tools available, and let your creativity shine through your edits. Thank you for watching and happy editing.